Hello everyone, before we move on to the SQL questions about SQL Joins, I would like to break down the most important concepts in SQL Joins and show how to combine multiple tables effectively. SQL Joins allow us to combine information from multiple tables based on a related column. In this video, we'll explore inner joins, outer joins, including left, right, and full join, cross joins, self joins. These concepts are easier than they seem. Let's dive in. First, the inner join. It returns records that have matching values in both tables. Think of it as the overlapping section in a Venn diagram. Let's take a look at how an inner join works with real data from two tables, employees and departments. We can see there are two matching rows with the same employee ID. We can write the SQL query in this way. Select name and department from the employee table using inner join to find the matching rows based on the matching employee ID. Since only employee ID 1 and employee ID 2 exist in both tables, only those employees appear in the result. Next, the left join returns all records from the left table and matches from the right table. If there's no match, it returns null. Let's see how a left join works with the tables of employees and departments. All the rows of the left table will be returned. We can write the SQL query like the following. Select name and department from the employee table using left join to find the matching row based on the matching employee ID. If matching record cannot be found, it returns null. This is the query result with all the records of the left table displayed. Right join is just the mirror image. It returns all rows from the right table and matched rows from the left. If there's no match, it returns null. Let's see how a right join works with the tables of employees and departments. All the rows of the right table will be returned. The SQL query is displayed here. Select name and department from the employee table using right join to find the matching row based on the matching employee ID. If matching record cannot be found, it returns null. This is the query displaying all the right table records. The full outer join returns everything from both tables. When there's no match, nulls are used to fill in the gaps. Full join query is like left join or right join, just replace left or right with full in the code. This is the query result displaying all the records of both tables. Cross join returns the Cartesian product of two tables and combines each row from the first table with each row from the second table, generating every possible combination of rows from both tables. The example demonstrates the 3x3 combinations of each color and size. Self join is used to join a table to itself as if there are two separate tables. It is useful for hierarchical data. For instance, in the example of employees tables, we use employees E and employees M and join them like two tables, showing who manages whom in a company. Let's wrap up with a quick summary. Inner join, matching rows in both tables. Left join, all from left plus matches from right. Right join, all from right plus matches from left. Full join, all rows from both tables. Cross join, all combinations of rows. Self join, join a table with itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.